we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here today. If you are new here, I am Victoria, best housewife, or should I say a stay-at-home wife, mom of four, and I am a homemaker. Homemaking is what I love to do. On my channel you will find everything home and homemaking, everything home that has to do with the home, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, basically turning a house into a home. I also do lifestyle and mommy duties or mommy life type of content. If that is what you are into, please do not go anywhere, stick around. Do consider subscribing to my channel.
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let go. Don't wanna.
We are actually doing another cleaning motivational video. This was not the plan. So we were just basically chilling after I made my kids something to eat, so that I do not have to basically worry about what they are going to eat for the rest of the day. So I just made them something to eat, and then me and my husband decided to tackle the kitchen. Like, I did not really have any energy to do no deep cleaning, but my kitchen had this weird smell and we couldn't figure out what the smell was, where it was actually coming from. So me and my husband was looking, was trying to find where the smell was coming from, but we could not. So we figured we have to basically pick out and empty out our kitchen cupboard so we can see where the smell was coming from. Funny thing, it was actually coming from behind the fridge. Because of load shedding, the fridge basically defrosts in the day. I don't know how many times, like 3 times a day there's load shedding. So our fridge was defrosting basically, and then the water that was behind the fridge started to get this disgusting smell. So me and my husband decided to tackle it. I did not feel like doing it, as I mentioned, but my husband was willing to help me figure it out. That is how bad the smell was. My kids were starting to complain about it, so we figured we have to sort it out. So my husband was so helpful. Thank God for good husbands. So he just and he's not the type that want to be in front of the camera, but he was into acting. So I don't know what it is with him now, with us not being in front of the camera type of thing, but I do respect him and his wishes. But on this day he decided he was willing to help me, so I could not say no to that. I decided to shoot this video as we were busy figuring out and cleaning, and he was really helpful. I was so happy that he decided to help me with this kitchen situation. So yeah, it's just a quick overview of the cups and the bowls and the glasses I bought a while ago. It was standing in the boxes. I was keeping it for my cupboard, like basically cupboard makeover or cupboard refresh, I don't know, but I just felt like at that point I even just took it out and washed it just to get it also just nicely packed in the cupboards. I hope you guys enjoy this video this far. Thank you for being here. Thank you for checking out my content consistently.
Unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last.
So guys, we are almost at the end of the video. I just want to say thank you for being here with me today. Thank you for taking your time to watch my content. At this point it was starting to get dark, so I am so glad that we got all of the cleaning done before it got dark, and now my kitchen is just fresh and I can start preparing beautiful meals in my kitchen. So I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Stay blessed. See you next time, guys. Bye.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time